Okay, so they're telling us the measure of angle AOC is 85 degrees. And if I trace it out, let me do it in pink here. AOC, oops, uh, it is this angle right here, the whole thing, right? AOC, that whole thing is 85. Yeah. And BOC, which is just the smaller, I'll color this actually in BOC, this angle right here is 2x plus 10. And of course, we've got angle AOB, which is this angle, equaling this. Okay, so we need to now find the measures of BOC and AOB, those two smaller angles. And what we're going to need to do is, since the angle addition postulate says those two smaller angles add to the larger, we're going to write this problem out as 2x plus 10 plus 4x minus 15 equals the 85 degrees that the whole thing is. Okay, and now we will combine like terms. 2x and 4x is 6x. 10 plus negative 15 is negative 5 equals 85. Addition property of equality says add 5 to both sides. 6x then equals 90. And working below this, 6x divided by 6, the division property of equality, equals 90 divided by 6. And therefore x equals 15 degrees. Okay? Well, that's not the final answer because we actually need to plug it in. We don't know that those two angles are congruent, so they aren't necessarily equal to each other, so we need to solve each one of them separately. We need to say, okay, let's do 2x plus 10. That's 2 parentheses 15 for that angle measure. 2 times 15 is 30, plus 10, 40 degrees. So equals the measure of angle BOC. And then likewise, we're going to take 4x minus 15. Say that is 4 parentheses 15. That's 60 minus 15, or 45. 45 is equal to the measure of angle AOB. Okay? I'm sorry, I had to do that at an angle to keep my work out of the way. So this is what we've got, and this is what we've got. Measure of angle BOC is 40, and measure of angle AOB is 45. That is answer B. So number 32 is B, and we're done.